Molweni. If you are a young boy, I would say to you, Molo Buti. And if you are a young girl watching this video, I say to you, Molo Sisi. And in the second part of our lesson, we are going to look at, or rather find out who people are. We're going to ask the question, who is this? And in isiXhosa, that is, Ngubani lo? Ngubani lo? Who is this? Ngubani lo? And here we see a picture of an old lady. And remember in isiXhosa that we call an old lady, a very old lady, makhulu. Even though she's not your own granny, we still call her makhulu. So here we have the answer, makhulu. It is grandmother, or it is an old lady. Makhulu. In this picture, we have a young boy, and remember, any young boy is called Buti. So the question is, Ngubani lo? Who is this? Ngubhuti. It is a young boy. Or another translation would be, it is a brother. Ngubhuti. Here we have an older man who could be the age of your dad, and any person of this age would be called Tata. So, Ngubani lo, who is this? Ngu Tata. It is a father or an older man. Ngu Tata. The same applies to an older lady who could be your mom. We would say Ngumama. Ngumama. It is a mother, an older lady. Ngumama. And here with the walking stick we have a very old man, and any very old man we would call Tatomkhulu, grandfather. Tatomkhulu. So Ngubani lo, who is this person? Ngu Tatomkhulu. It is a grandfather, an old man. Ngu Tatomkhulu. And then finally, a young girl. Any young girl would be called Sisi. So, Ngubani lo, who is this? Ngusisi. It is a young girl, or it is a sister. Ngusisi.